Hi there, welcome to my channel. I first did the red line there, and then here I'm kind of working on the bottom end of the painting. I'm doing some lighter, you know, well, the top part of the painting I did lighter with the sun rays coming at an angle, and then I went a little darker, but I always work on trying to keep my paintings lighter because it just looks better when you have a lighter painting, I think. So I was just putting in some bright light colors, orange right here. Then I have the shadows under the trees. The trees I did in brown, and later I added some darker brown to give it like some, you know, a little bit of character. Try to get a lot of different colors. Right here I'm adding my light blue. It's a blue, and then I actually added another blue later on, a lighter blue than that. That's what I'm doing right here, adding like a lighter blue on top of that blue. So if you get like really close to the painting, you can see that there's kind of like a cloud effect to it. And I also did it with the yellow in the sky. Added two colors of yellow. One was darker and one was lighter. So here I'm just, I was adding some more colors down below, trying to keep it interesting. Trying to keep my shadows under my trees. So if you like my paintings, this one would probably be on my website at Rudy Yoder Art, and it'll be in a black, nice high quality black frame if you like to look at it. And if you're local in Sarasota, I also put it on Facebook Marketplace and also Craigslist, so you can contact me through there also. If you live out of state, I'd probably ship it to you, and you just order it through RudyYoderArt.com.